out, Zuma! Here I am, how do you do? Yellow! Green egg. It's the Cheshire Cat. Skye, finger, where are you? Uh-oh, look out, Skye! Here I am, how do you do? Green! What's inside? Marshall! Wearing red. Skye! Wearing pink. Marshall finger, where are you? Look out, Marshall! Here I am, how do you do? Blue! Blue egg. Pink Poppy from Trolls and a cake. Yum, 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 yum. Rocky finger, where are you? Watch out, Rocky! Here I am, how do you do? Orange! Blue egg. It's Stitch and Bambi. Rubble finger, where are you? Watch out, Rubble! Here I am, how do you do? Blue! Blue egg! It's George! He's wearing a blue shirt. And it's Peppa. She's wearing a red dress. We got Zuma, Skye, Marshall, Rocky, and Rubble.
Oh, that was so much fun! See you next time! Ah! Oh, Paw Patrol and PJ Masks are hanging out in a big gumball pool. Let's learn colors with the gumballs.
We have our Paw Patrol cup. It's full of lots of colorful gumballs. Let's pour it down the slide and into the pool. Now Chase is going down the slide. He's going to try to find a blue gumball. Here it is. I found a blue gumball. Good job, Chase. Let's put our blue gumball down the slide. Whoa! Now Zuma's on the slide. He's going to slide down and try to find an orange gumball. I found it! Here's an orange gumball. Thank you, Zuma. Let's put the gumball down the slide. Up next is Rocky, and he's going to slide down and look for a green gumball. Here it is! I found a green gumball. Great job, Rocky. Let's put it down the slide. Everest is up next. She's going to look for a purple gumball. Here's a purple gumball. Good job, Everest. Let's put it down the slide. Up next, Owlette is going to slide down. She's looking for a red gumball. Here it is! I found a red gumball. Good job, Owlette. Let's send it down the slide. Ryder's up next. He's looking for a white gumball. Here's a white gumball. Good job, Ryder. Let's put it down the slide. Catboy is next. He's gonna look for a blue gumball. Whoa, he went head first. Here you go. Here's a blue gumball. Great job, Catboy. Let's put it down the slide. Skye's up next. She's looking for a pink gumball. Here you go. Here's a pink gumball. Good job, Skye. Let's put our pink gumball down the slide. Gecko's going next, and he's looking for a green gumball. Here you go. Here's a green gumball. Thanks, Gecko. Let's put it down the slide. Marshall's up next. He's looking for a red gumball. Here you go. Here's a red gumball. Great job, Marshall. Let's put it down the slide. Rubble on the double. He's going next and looking for a yellow gumball. Here you go. A yellow gumball. Great job, Rubble. Let's put it down the slide. The PJ Masks have a driveway that is a huge slide full of gumballs. Let's watch everyone go down it. Whoa, that's totally cool. Let's slide down the gumballs and into the gumball pool. Here I go. Woo! This is gonna be so fun. Whoa! Look out below. Here I go. I'm all fired up about these gumballs. Wow, that was super fun. Ice or snow or gumballs, I'm ready to go. Woo! I sure am happy it's gumballs and not water. I even landed on my feet. This is gonna be fun. Let's dive in. This pup's gonna fly down the gumballs. Sliding down the gumballs on the double. Chase is on the gumball case.